Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and signing in. Do that now. Once signed in, tap the plus icon to join or create a class. You need the class code or school domain. Make sure notifications are enabled so you see assignments and announcements instantly. Allow permissions for camera and microphone to submit photos, record audio, or start video. This prevents last-minute access blocks. If you have multiple Google accounts, pick the one tied to your classes. Switching later can confuse submissions and grades. Once you join or create the class, go to classwork and add structured content. Use topics to group units and make navigation simple. You can attach Drive files, upload photos, or add links. Drag and reorder items so students see essentials first. When creating an assignment, set a clear due date, point value, and instructions. This helps grading and keeps expectations clear. For teachers, enable originality reports or rubrics. For students, double-check attachments before submitting to avoid incomplete uploads. You finish by submitting or grading. Students attach files, photos, or Drive links, then tap Submit. If you need to change work, unsubmit, edit, and submit again while allowed. Teachers open each student submission, leave private comments, assign grades, and return work so students see feedback. If something goes wrong, sync issues, missing uploads, first refresh the app, confirm internet connection, clear the app cache, and sign out, then sign back in. That resolves most mobile-specific problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.